A few years ago, crypto trading was time-consuming and unpredictable, driven more by instinct than strategy. But today, smart traders are moving in a new direction with Immediate Path, an AI-powered platform that's redefining how crypto trading works. Unlike traditional tools, Immediate Path uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to scan global markets 24/7, process real-time news, and instantly adjust your trading strategy. The result? Faster decisions, greater accuracy, and consistency no human can match. Access to Immediate Path's full suite of AI tools is limited. You can only unlock everything, including premium features and a welcome bonus, through the official link in the description. If you're reading this, there's still time to join, but don't wait. Spots are filling fast. Many users report significant improvements in performance and confidence. With Immediate Path, emotional decisions are replaced by clarity and control, all backed by powerful, real-time AI. Your funds stay secure on trusted exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. And if you're just starting out, there's even a risk-free demo mode so you can try the platform without financial pressure. Another key advantage of Immediate Path is its continuous support and educational resources, designed to help users better understand the market and fully leverage the platform's capabilities. This creates a comfortable environment for beginners while enabling experienced traders to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. The platform's intuitive interface makes it easy for traders of all levels to navigate and customize their experience, enabling quick adjustments and efficient management of their portfolios at any time. This user-friendly design ensures that technology empowers rather than overwhelms. You don't need years of experience to trade successfully. You just need the right tools in the right moment. The crypto world is evolving. Don't get left behind. Click the link now, claim your bonus, and discover the future of trading with Immediate Path.